Good afternoon, everyone. It is July the 7th, 2026, time 1:42 p.m. Houston time. Two NQs. Just a couple of minutes ago, I sold short them going south. So it's sitting at 1280. $1,000 a mark. We are technically done for the day. It has more potential, yes, to the downside. It's, as you can see, the numbers are climbing, but not to get greedy, although that's the trade placed, calculated, know the results, what will happen. It will continue to give more money, but greed is not the factor with me. So technically I'm done for the day. It dropped from 1410 to 1200. Would it climb again? Yes, it will. How about that? We set the tone right here. It hits this mark. Let's be out. How about that? So, all right. I placed the deal. I should have done it sooner. I didn't do it, but I've done it now. It rolls down again, which it would, right? Hopefully. So it just barrels down. It's down to 900, less than 8, going back up. 960. That's where it is going back and forth. Right now, it may have taken an upswing, but I continue to hold this trade to take my 1,000 out. So we just touched 1400 while I was making the comment, and since then it has rolled back going north. So I'm down to 700, maybe 600. I don't know. But would I hold the fortress? Yes, I will. I will. I've already placed where I want to be out. So let's see what happens. It is going to happen for good, that I can tell you. But remember, we are not sitting at a casino table. We have absolutely no control as traders, because the buyers and sellers in the market, they are the one who are jumping up and down, and we are just at their mercy. So if we make our charts right, and then whatever happens, as you can see, let me describe some charts here. You may be wondering that something I have not shared earlier. So in this one, I'll show you that you're looking at a 1-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, a 30-minute chart, and an hour chart. So I keep a global look. I place the trade on a minute chart. I look at the 5-minute chart, see how chart where it will go, and then trade accordingly. The focus is on the trade is based on the 1-minute chart all the way the global picture. Now, what is in the charts? Well, there is a special a formula in here which I share only to the patrons. The other, as you can see, I have the MACD, which tells me what is happening in general. That's just again to get a global picture here. And then we have the gaps which traders will go and try to sweep from there. So I'm just about to be out of this trade here. It's sitting at 1110, less than 1,000. Would it hit my mark and let me go home? I am still confident that it will. Sometimes it doesn't look good, but I know that this one will, and that's why I'm hanging in there. Otherwise, at a couple of times I had the chance to be out with my 1,000, and I didn't. Not that I'm being greedy, just because I know that I can get, or should I say, perhaps I'll be able to squeeze it out. Would it let me do that? Don't know yet. Hey, listen, we'll look at the time involved here so far, 5 minutes and 2 minutes plus. When I place a trade, there's $1,000 right there. Even $800-900, not bad to make it in a day within 5-10 minutes. So plenty of opportunity to make $1,000 a day. I can increase the numbers and can get more out of it, knowingly that it will give at least that kind of money, but which means more money. This is true. If I place 4 trades, then you know that it's $2,000. So am I going to do that? Yes, we can do that, but this is all that for you to know that this is how it works. And now look at that, it dropped down to below 400. Is it going to hit me hard and give me a lesson here that don't be so confident, because nothing is in your control. Here again I have an opportunity to take $900+ and run. But today I'm in a mood to play a little, enjoy this a little bit, knowingly that this is gonna do. There you go. The order is filled. Cashed 1485. That's my trades. Usually I place them there, but then you have seen some trades in the past where I got a licking. So I'm doing. I've done my homework, and when I feel like that, let me play a little. I'll play. If the market will continue to go south for a little while, and then it's going to swing back up. I just wanted to be stayed right there, and I got the money. So thank you so much for joining, and get in touch should you need this special formulas I have in here. I'll gladly assist. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not advising anyone. I'll share what I know. If it works for you, good for you. All right. Thank you so much. Bye for now.